Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guest, respected teacher, and my fellow student, Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. On behalf of our principal and faculty member, I would like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to Government Higher Secondary School, Qadri Muhammad Hill Bannu. We are deeply grateful that you have taken time out of your busy schedule to join us today. Your presence means a lot to us, and we hope that it will inspire and motivate us to work even harder and prepare much better for future events. Thank you once again for your presence, and we hope you have a wonderful time with us today.
But before we start the program, it is customary to begin with the recitation of the Holy Quran. For this purpose, I would like to invite Ayan Khan from class 9 to recite a few verses from the Holy Quran. Ayan Khan,